Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace the bottom engine mount on Ford Fiesta Mk7 generation 2009-2018. So stay with us guys, we'll show you how to do that. ST or regular Fiesta, the procedure should be the same. Always use tire chokes, okay, because safety first. Put the emergency brake on and leave the car in gear. We'll have to jack this side up, okay, and put it on jack stand. After that, we'll do the same thing to the other side. That way we can get under the vehicle safely and remove the bottom engine mount and show you how to replace it. Okay, almost there now. Okay, perfect. All the tools guys, jacks, parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. So please take a look, give a like guys. Okay, we'll do the same to this side. And we just started guys a new channel called Electrical Car Repair Life. Please subscribe, many electrical videos will be there, engine codes, airbag codes, things like that. So let's go ahead and jack this side up now. Okay, jacking this side up now, and you'll see how much room we're going to gain. Okay, installing the second jack stand now. Always guys, put it on jack stands. Always make sure it's safe before you get under the vehicle. Even place a double jack stands in some cases, in my opinion, okay, because you will be laying all the way underneath and you don't want that car to fall on you because you'll be pretty much dead. So when you get under the vehicle now, okay, you can see this one right there. This is the bottom engine mount and it has only two bolts holding it together there. So now it's 13mm. Okay, and those will be pretty tight sometimes. It's a good thing it's tight. Now if you're racing that car, autocross or anything like that, you definitely need to replace it with an aftermarket engine mount. This is because this one is too soft. Okay, got it loose now. And we're going to see if the engine will shift a little bit left or right. It has two engine mounts holding it, one on the transmission side, one on the other side. Okay, one is out. Now the second one. Those are the bolts. Now it's getting it out because that thing could be stuck really bad sometimes. Okay, we'll help with the screwdriver. You can see how tight of a fit that thing is. Okay, and actually we need to remove that bracket there guys in order to remove the mount, okay, because otherwise it will not come out. So you can watch the video guys and see what mistakes we, so you can avoid those mistakes. Okay, that bracket is with a 13mm socket. Okay, so we just pulled it out. Okay, out of the way, right there. Now we have two more bolts. And those we need to get loose by hand because a little impact, excuse me, we have a hard time removing those. And probably this one will be better to do it before you actually remove the bolts for the engine mount. So again, don't do what we did. First remove that bracket, these two bolts, and then the rest of the Okay, the back one came out pretty easy, the front one not so easy. So it finally came all the way loose now, almost. Okay, perfect. And this is, guys, the bottom engine mount out of the Fiesta. So when you're ready, guys, to install it, all you have to do, put everything back together in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.